Hi everybody. In this guided tutorial I'm going to take you through an application that we're considering installing, probably will install at the conclusion of the spring 2012 semester, but in time for the summer 2012 semester to begin. This is an application we're pretty excited about. We think it'll make managing your grade center much easier. So let me show you how this works. Again, we're going to postpone this. This is only the test server we're looking at. We typically do not like to install extensions and so forth in the middle of the semester because of the potential of something breaking that we're not aware of. So we'll wait until we do a little bit more testing and make sure it's stable. So this is the test server we're looking at here right now, and this is a test course. And over on the left hand side under my course tools, you see there's this option called Set Grade Center Due Dates. And this is the tool that we're probably going to install. Let me click on that. And this is what appears. This is really nice because what it does is it brings up all of your assignments and other sort of categories, labs, those types of things, discussion boards, journal activities, your tests, and so forth on one page, even SCORM related items as well. So soft chalk things and things that come from iSpring will show up in here as well. So you see everything basically on one page, which makes it very nice. And again, this is just a test course, so it has just lots of things in here. But let me scroll back up here. You can see that we have a checkbox that controls the availability of the item, and then over on the side is the due date. So you can set all of your due dates on one screen if you like. So you could go through here, for instance, and say that you want this to be March 31st for all of these items. If you prefer, you can do that. Now the little triangle just basically indicates it's not been saved yet. So we'll go ahead and just make this March 31st, just sort of give you a demonstration of how this works real quick, and so forth and so on. And then when you're done, you can click Submit, and that instantly updates the due date for all of those events. So on one screen, and in particular, one of the nice ones is the fact that it also recognizes Safe Assign. And because Safe Assign has always had a little bit of an issue with the ease with which you can go through and change the due dates on safe assignments, that's always been a bit of a problem. I've got a test safe assignment down here. Here's a couple of them here that you can see, one right here and here. And you can easily go through, and you can see that says safe assignment. You can easily go through and change the due dates of those safe assignments. That's really very nice to be able to control that from this screen. So again, we'll likely roll this out at the conclusion of the spring 2012 semester. Again, this is just a test course we're looking at, and we just want to make sure it's stable before we do that. And it'll be available once it's installed, and we'll make an announcement when it's available. It's available under Course Tools and Set Grade Center Due Dates. And by the way, you can also, this is the individual items, you can also edit the due dates by grading period. This little button up here toggles back and forth. So if you have grade center periods, you can also go through and modify those as well. So if you have multiple items associated with a grading period, you can modify all those items in one shot here, which makes it much nicer. So anyway, hopefully that will be I think a nice inclusion to managing your grade center. It certainly makes it easy to manage all of your items in one handy page. And so look for that probably in mid-May, just a couple months.